What's going on? This is Sunny here, and in today's video, I want to show you a way to make your subliminals work better, faster, and way more effectively. Okay, so if what I discuss in this video today resonates with you at a deeper level, then I invite you to watch my free training in which I'm showing you how to truly create the life you really want to live through a higher consciousness mindset, really bring that vision that you have, that you're using all these subliminals for, into physical reality in a very systematic way that works, that's very effective. So it's only 30 minutes. Watch that after you watch this video, okay? Link is in the description box below and in the first comment. So now let's get to really how to make your subliminals work faster, really how to make them more effective. First, I want to start off by saying that using subliminals should never be the only part of your manifestation practice. Okay, so one thing that I see people do a lot is completely rely on subliminals, right? They're listening to them in their sleep, they're listening to them throughout the day, just playing them on loop, just believing that that'll be the entirety of the work. And one, it's silly to do that because it's not going to work. And two, it's silly to do that because even if it was to work, why would you want to go from one state of unconscious sleep, which may be negative right now, yeah. So one state of unconscious sleep into another state of unconscious sleep, even if that unconscious sleep was a little bit more positive. Do you see the problem there? Right? The very source of this problem is you not being willing to actually put in the internal and external work. And I'm not saying that this is the specific case for you right now, but I'm saying that for most people who are just completely relying on subliminals, the reason that their subliminals are not working for them is because they have a lack of inner willingness to do the internal and the external work, to actually manifest their goals through them. And this lack of willingness is getting in their way of making their subliminals effective. Okay, so I want to give you certain ways today of supplementing your subliminals, because subliminals, yes, they're effective when used properly with conscious creation, right? This entire process of creating your own reality, you get into it because you want to empower yourself, not because it's nice to, have these subliminals change your beliefs and, it's nice to just create positive things now, even though you don't know what you're creating and how you're doing it, right? That's not what we're interested in. We're interested in truly understanding and recognizing natural law and how we can create the circumstances that we want to create in our lives. That is true empowerment. That is not going from one sleep to another sleep, even if it's a little bit more pleasant. Okay, so that's what you should really be interested in. If it's not, please click off this video right now, because that's not what this channel is about at all. Okay, so now how can you actually make your subliminals more effective? So the first way that I want to talk about is taking consistent action on what you are trying to manifest on a physical level as well. Okay, so you can listen to your subliminals, right, like throughout the day or at night or whatever whatever like the subliminal teaching you've gotten, right? So continue to listen to them and allow your subconscious to take those affirmations in. However, on a physical day-to-day level, start taking actual action towards what you want to manifest. So if you're listening to subliminals regarding money and abundance mindset, then on a physical level, right, start to work on your beliefs as well. Start to take more action towards financial independence, whatever that looks like to you, whatever you feel like in this moment, what steps you can take in order to actually achieve that. The reason I say this is because if you continue to take action on a physical level while doing this sort of internal work as well, you will continue to keep the flow going. You will continue to keep the momentum going. And by taking action consistently on a physical level, you will be provided the intelligence, the resources, the ways, the means of making your goal a reality. If you just do the internal work, but you do no external work, then you're actually blocking the flow and you're getting in your own way. So something that I've found personally really powerful in my journey and other people's journeys that I've worked with, other people's journeys that I've followed on YouTube, is that you have to take consistent action on a physical level while doing the internal work, while listening to these subliminals. Otherwise, you're getting in your own way. Now, step number 2 on how to believe in your subliminals and make them work faster is You have to actually use conscious affirmations as well. And not just like a list of 20 affirmations that you read daily in the morning, right? That may be sufficient in the beginning stages when you're just getting started with this process. But I'm talking about throughout the day. When you're actually going through the day-to-day live action of circumstances, right, that are maybe challenging you. Some resistance may be coming up. You may come across a failure. Someone rejects you. Someone challenges you. In those moments, you actually have, or like, let's just say even with the money situation that we were giving an example about before, right? If you're trying to become create an abundance mindset, and you maybe now in a live action, you're on the field, and now you're experiencing the circumstance where you lose all your money or you get fired from a job, right? In those circumstances, you actually have to affirm those positive affirmations regarding that abundance mindset, even in that situation. That is what will allow you to actually make this like completely internalized, right? That is what will allow you to actually make this affirmation real for you. See, most people, they affirm when things are going well, right? They affirm all these affirmations and everything's going well. And then as soon as a challenge hits, they lose everything and they just go back to their old way of thinking. You have to do the opposite, where you have to continue to make conscious affirmations throughout the day. Constantly tell yourself, everything is unfolding the way that it should. I am feeling abundant. Like I see abundance even in what I do have. Obviously, your affirmations could be about anything. They could be about weight loss. They could be about your sense of worth, confidence, whatever it may be, right? Affirm those things throughout the day, like feel more loved, feel more abundant, feel more well, feel more healed, whatever it is for you. But do it consciously throughout the day. And if you pair that conscious affirmation with the subconscious, now number 3, how to make your subliminals work faster and truly believe in them is meditation. Now, I've been in this field of reality creation for a while now, right? Not too long, I know, but I've been in it for about a couple of years. So the main mistake that I see people make is do all the intellectual work, read all the books, watch all the videos, and even apply the teachings on a certain level, but they neglect meditation like nothing else because they don't find the value in it. First of all, the type of meditation that I'm speaking of is the only type of meditation that I recommend you do. Which, if you want to know how to do that, watch my meditation playlist. It's the first video in that meditation playlist, How to Meditate for Beginners. And then I'm going to actually teach you how to deepen it as well in that playlist. So the link for that is in the description box below. So please go watch that, because without that meditation practice, the rest of your create your own reality journey practice is not going to be as powerful. So that's the biggest mistake I see people make, is neglect meditation, because number one, there's so much lack of clarity about what meditation, true meditation actually is, like how you're supposed to do it, what it does for you, right? So that's what I want to cover in that playlist and really show to you. So please go watch that afterwards. But if you don't meditate, you're getting in your own way, because you will never be able to integrate all these teachings, all the things that you're learning, all these subliminals that you want to work faster. You'll never truly be able to open yourself up, open your little world view up into that infinity that you are, that infinite possibility that you actually want to grow into. But because you're so limited in your current worldview, in your current perspective, in your unconscious ways, in your programs, in your conditioning, you're not able to do that. And what will actually free you of that is meditation. Meditation, I always say, is the key to the mind-made prison that you have around you right now, that you've created around yourself, or society has created around you through that conditioning. And so if you're not meditating in the specific way that I'm talking about meditation in my meditation playlist, then this process is going to be very difficult for you. But if you truly bring that meditation into your practice, right? Once or twice a day for 15 minutes each, then you will truly make profound leaps in your awareness, and your worldview will start to open up. And as you start to open up to the infinite possibility that you actually are, right? That is the very nature of your infinite potential, right? These subliminals will be accepted at a faster rate. You will start to naturally believe in these subliminals at a faster rate, and therefore they will work faster. Okay, so don't neglect meditation. There's not enough I can speak about it. And I know my regular viewers know about that, and especially if you're in part of my Facebook group. Which if you're not, also, that's down there below as well. But I hope you enjoyed this video, okay? I hope you really gained value from it. Subliminals is something that I've never covered before. So if it's something that you want me to talk more about, let me know in the comment section below, okay? But other than that, definitely watch my meditation playlist if you still haven't seen it. And watch my free training. It's called the Create Your Dream Life Workshop. It's 30 minutes, and in it, I show you the 4 main steps you need to take in order to truly create from a higher consciousness mindset, okay? So all the links are in the description box below. I know I've been like really telling you to watch a lot of stuff, so it's because it's all relevant to this one topic, okay? So make sure to systematically go watch that one by one, but more importantly, apply it to your life, all right? So I hope you enjoyed this video and gained value from it. Please give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, especially if you're new to Personal Mastery Quest, in which case welcome. But I will see you in the next video.